Guys, in this video we will be talking about how to create a new post. So to create a new post you need to simply click on new post and then editor mode will open. So here we need to give the title and the content. So I will simply copy this. This is the dummy text which I used for explaining purpose. So I will copy and here in the editor I will simply paste, and in the title I will copy this. Okay, so from here actually we can give different header tags. So this title would be always the major heading, but below the major heading there is called heading, and any topic or heading below the heading is called the subheadings. Any, or you can say any topics inside this paragraph will be the subheading. So I will select this as a heading, and this also another heading, and this also another heading, and inside the content it will be selected as paragraph. Okay, so here at the top right side there is option called label. So label is just like a category for your content. So let's suppose this content is related to blogging tips only. So here at the label I will write as blogging tips, and our label is set. You can give multiple label. For that you need to simply give here the comma, and you can write as another label. So for example I have used SEO, and below the label there is an option on publish. So here through manually you can select on which date you have published the content. For our case I will use automatic, and another option is called the permalink. Permalink is nothing but the URL of the content. So through the custom you can edit the URL, or you can automatic. So in automatic, whatever the title of the content, it will take the title in the URL. So here you can see https domain name slash date slash title of the content .html. Now the next option is location. Here if you want you can also give the location from which state or city you are writing the content. And the last option is called the reader comments. Here you can control the comment if you want a reader to comment in your content. So if you select do not allow, it will not allow to comment, otherwise it will allow to comment. So okay, so that's it. So in the next video we will be talking about how to do styling of the content, and also we will talk about this compose view and HTML view. So thank you.